In this pod, we'll look at how you talk about the environment and possible solutions to its problems. As always, we have a lot of vocabulary to learn, so feel free to grab a pen and paper if you need to. We have
Le réchauffement de la planète, meaning global warming.
Être en train de, meaning to be in the process of.
Les causes, meaning causes.
Les ressources naturelles, meaning natural resources.
La planète, meaning the planet. La déforestation, meaning deforestation. L'agriculture intensive, meaning intensive farming. La pollution de l'air, meaning air pollution. Réduire, meaning to reduce. L'effet de serre, meaning greenhouse effect. Détruire, meaning to destroy. Protéger, meaning to protect. L'eau douce, meaning fresh water. And finally, il est probable que, meaning it's likely that.
When you've got these words and phrases under your belt, let's move on. Listen to Florent as he talks about environmental issues. As always, pay close attention. We'll be asking you some questions afterwards.
Je vais te parler de l'environnement et de ce qui me préoccupe beaucoup, comme le réchauffement de la planète, la déforestation et le manque d'eau douce dans le futur. Nous sommes en train de détruire la planète et les causes sont nombreuses.
Il y a l'agriculture intensive, la surpêche, la pollution de l'air par les industries et les voitures et aussi la surpopulation. Les ressources naturelles ne sont pas infinies.
Il faut donc faire attention à notre consommation d'eau, d'essence et de gaz, et surtout ne pas gaspiller.
Did you catch what was said? There's quite a lot to take in here, so don't worry if you didn't get all of it. Let's work through some questions together. Florent will answer first in French and then in English. See if you can answer before he does. First, what specific things does Florent want to talk about?
Le réchauffement de la planète, la déforestation et le manque d'eau douce dans le futur. Global warming, deforestation, and the lack of fresh water in the future.
How does Florent think nous sommes en train de détruire la planète? We are in the process of destroying the planet.
Il y a l'agriculture intensive, la surpêche, la pollution de l'air par les industries et les voitures, et aussi la surpopulation. There is intensive farming, overfishing, air pollution by industries and cars, and also overpopulation.
You may not have recognized surpêche, but it's an easy one to remember. La pêche means fishing. Sur is a preposition which can mean many things, but in this case, over. Okay, moving on to the next question. What does Florent say is not endless?
Les ressources naturelles ne sont pas infinies.
Natural resources are not endless.
What does Florent think we should pay particular attention to?
Il faut donc faire attention à notre consommation d'eau, d'essence et de gaz, et surtout ne pas gaspiller. So we need to pay attention to our consumption of water, petrol and gas, and above all, not to waste.
You could be asked, est-ce que l'environnement est important pour toi? Which means, is the environment important to you? A simple answer, including an opinion, would be oui, pour moi, il y a de grands problèmes pour la Terre. Et je crois que les plus grandes menaces sont la déforestation et la pollution de l'air. This means, yes, for me there are great problems for the Earth, and I believe that the biggest threats are deforestation and air pollution.
Note the adjective position for great problems, grand problème. Some adjectives come before rather than after the noun. When grand means great rather than tall, it follows this rule. Gentil meaning kind, joli meaning pretty, and petit meaning small are also examples.
Now let's listen to the final section of Florent's account. Il faut trouver des solutions pour que les industries soient moins polluantes, par exemple en encourageant l'utilisation d'énergies renouvelables comme l'électricité, l'énergie solaire ou encore l'énergie éolienne.
Ce qui est important pour moi, c'est de s'engager pour la cause environnementale et de sensibiliser les jeunes. J'aime beaucoup l'association Greenpeace et il est probable que je m'engage dans une association pour protéger l'environnement.
Did you understand all of that? If not, don't worry. Listen again as Florent translates what he said in French into English.
Solutions need to be found to make industries less polluting, for example by encouraging the use of renewable energies such as electricity, solar energy, or wind power. What's important to me is to be committed to the environmental cause and to educate young people. I love Greenpeace, and it's likely that I will become an activist in an organization to protect the environment.
We'll leave it there for now. Try adapting the phrases you've learned in this pod to suit your own needs. Bonne chance!